today, now we are at Purulia Subhash Park right here. The gate, you can see the gate right here. So we are here at the Purulia Subhash Park, and here's the entry right here. So let's go inside. Here's the Subhash Park, the Purulia Subhash Park. Here's a building right here. There is a staircase right here. And there's a statue. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the statue right here. And there's a tank right there above. Now let's go a little further. And here's some stones right here. Way right there. So we have to keep walking. Let's go. Go, go, go. Now let's go. Let's go this way. It's a long way, but we can still go. There's a lot of things. A lot of grass here. Some parks need so much space to be built. Okay, we're almost there. Now you can see all the plants, the trees right here all around us. Oh, and there's a bench right there. There's a bench. And what wow, look at these leaves. They're so pink. Pink in color. And let's go keep further. And look at these. Look at this. Look at this. There's some slides. There's some slides. The slides are my favorite. Okay, that is sweeping this mess right here. And this uncle is cleaning the park right here. Because the leaves are falling down here. Now let's go a bit closer to these things. Slowly. Now here's this slide. Here's a slide right here. Here's a slide right here. It's so fun, but there's some water that has flooded the whole ground. So we cannot go slide. And if you do make it right here and climb up and slide down this, you will get into the water and get wet. Ooh, there's some fish. Is there some fish? Yes, there is. There are fishes right here. You can see all the dipping, and there's a leaf that's fallen down. And yes, but how do leaves float on water? Because they're light objects. So that's why they float on water. Now this is also the part of the sand band right here. It looks so greeny right there. There's so many plants that are there at the other side. Now look at this foundation of these things. And there's also another bench right there. You cannot make it, but if you do make it, you'll notice there's a log right there. Now I will try to get to the middle of this pond that is formed. Now let's go. Okay, I have to be very careful not to get bite from any fish, because there is fish. Oh my God, I feel like I am in a sea. Just a little bit close, and yes, we are here. I mean, I am here. You're not here. And now my foot is wet. Now you can see I am at the middle of this pond right here that is formed by the rain. And what is this? I don't know. And there's a swing right there that we can play. But since the water is high up, we cannot play it anymore. At least you can stand it and try to swing. But make sure you don't fall in the water or you'll get wet. Now, I have to go. You're telling me to go into that slide? Okay. Now let's leave this floating bench that is really much. Ew! I'm afraid okay, be brave, let's go! And there's a lot of swampy things right here. Here! Hey! Look at me! I'm here! But I'm scared. Just don't be scared, okay? Now here I'm standing on the ladder of the slide. And I have to be very careful, make sure I don't fall or get bite with ants. And if a fish just chewed my smaller finger on the foot, then I will be hurt. And now I cannot go further up because I'm scared of heights. So now let's go. Now I'll go down. Okay, the wire has been wet. It's wet. Now let's go. Now let's go. Now let's go to the swing. But it's very risky. I'm not sure if I go. Okay, come on, I have to go there. Oh no. Can I go there?
Yes.
No, I don't want to get bite by fishes. I don't want to get bite with fishes.
No, you can go.
No. Okay, fine, I'm going. Now, look, I'm swinging. Whee! It's fun. Whoa. Whoa.
How are you feeling now?
I'm good. I'm feeling good. That's enough. Now I have to go back before I get bitten by fish.
Come here.
Come on, go. Fast as you can. As your strength. My wire. Gotta get out. Go! So that was a lot of fun.
Here.
Just gonna get now. You can see my uncle is sitting on the water fountain. But you see there is no holes. But you can see some these that splash out water. And let's go. Okay, now let's go. Now here's my uncle sitting on the water fountain. And this is a beautiful place to make a video right here. Now let's go up. And there's also some fishes right here that are here at the lake, at this water fountain. Oh, and you hear some sprayers right here at the sides of it. Now let's go circle around to see it. Here it is. There's a bottle right here. I don't know whose water bottle is this. And you can see there's a tree right here because it's another tree above right there because the reflection of light. And yeah, the tree's reflection is on this water fountain. And me. And yeah, if I stand right here, I can see myself and on the water fountain. Right here. It's like a mirror. And And when will these prayers come up? I don't know. Maybe it will come another time. Now, let's go to my uncle. Oops, that wire is stuck. Okay. What are you doing, uncle?
I am listening song
Okay.
to fresh my mood.
Okay.
I am now upset
Okay. Why are you upset?
because my exam not good, not well.
Oh.
Well,
Okay. So what is this water fountain?
what?
Is this water
Yes,
fountain?
water fountain of near Sahiband.
Yes, but
And-
and there's a cobweb right here.
Yes. Come on.
This cobweb is a straight line that even we cannot see it.
And you can see there are some plastic.
Plastic inside, but that's why it is green. But the green are the trees that are surrounding it. And let's cut this cobweb. Now we cut the cobweb. We cannot see the cobweb anymore, except you can see it on my head. Let's go to another place in this beautiful park. Let's go. Where do we go?
This.
Now let's go this direction. We pass the seesaw, past the plants, but there's a lot of plants right here. Okay. Now this is a nice foundation. Look at it. It looks so nice. Look at the leaves that make up three foundations of leaves. Okay. There's a tower. In the distance we can see there.
There is the tower.
Yes, the Eiffel Tower.
Not Eiffel Tower.
It's not an Eiffel.
Network tower.
It's a network tower that transfer networks to our phones,
Yes.
so it will work. Now there's an island in the middle of the Saban, the pond. There's an island you can see right there in the distance. If you want to go there, island, you have to get a boat to get there. And when you finally arrive there, you will face some things that are dangerous. Snakes will attack you right there. Maybe there's some snakes on that island. And there's some birds, which are not harmful. There's some birds and other kind of animals. Some birds are right there on the islands. You can see the chirps from that island. And there's some other buildings that are far away from this island. If there was a house on that island, then it will be very amazing to show it in this video. But sadly, there's no house. Here's some birds that are here at this board. The common moorhen, the Asian quail, Asian open-billed stork, barn swallow, black hooded oriole, brown chirica, common coot, black crowned nightherd. Okay, I don't know. Oh no, it's teared apart, so we cannot read that. The black kite looks amazing. Oh, sorry. Black kite looks fantastic. I like it. I like this one. Now let's go to another place. Let's go. Okay, this is a big pond. Its name is Taband, and the surrounding is nature. It look like nature's gift. Look at all these plants that are surrounding the view. Right here, it looks a little bit slimy, and there's some fishes right here that are near to us. Do they look like fishes? We cannot see them. They are underwater. And we can see some insects right here that are in the water. And they're bouncing to move. Oh, we can see. There's a dragonfly. There's a red dragonfly right here. We can see right here. Okay, now it's flying away. Bye, red dragonfly. This is a brinjal. Is it a brinjal? Is it a real or a fake? Well, you know it is a fake, but it's a dustbin. It's a dustbin. Look, it is a dustbin. Look at his mouth. It is the hole of the dustbin that you can put the trash in. And there's some eyes and the nose, the other things right here, the green stem right here. And also got feet. Maybe those are the feet of the brinjal? I don't know. There's some trash in there. And yeah, I can also torn it apart. Look, it turned into 2 pieces. So you can get the trash and recycle it. Now let's... Oh my God! There's some ants! What? There's some ants that are here at the back of the brinjal. They're eating the brinjal. They're eating the trash from the for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, comment below. If you don't like this video, do not comment. Bye. And let's go. Let's go.